Pool service businesses lose 30% of new clients from missed calls. That's thousands of dollars just evaporating. It's a silent killer for your growth. Streamline your routes. Efficient scheduling means more jobs, less driving. Every minute counts. Stop wasting time and fuel. Grow your business. Consistent communication builds trust. Send automated updates before and after service. Your clients want to feel informed. Keep them in the loop. Spot upsell opportunities during visits. Suggest filter cleaning or equipment checks. Your clients rely on your expertise. Offer them more value. Prepare for peak season now. Proactively stock supplies and ensure your team is ready for increased demand. Planning ahead pays off, big time. Your time is for growth, not answering every call. Delegate administrative tasks, focus on strategic planning and client relationships. Grow smart. Embrace modern technology. Scheduling software and payment systems save hours. Don't let outdated methods hold you back. Automate for efficiency. Even with great systems, what about busy hours or after hours? Every unanswered call is a lost client. Don't let valuable leads slip away. Heyfield steps in. Our AI receptionist answers 24/7, booking appointments. Businesses using Heyfield report 40% more booked jobs. It's time to grow. Stop leaving money on the table. Focus on exceptional pool service. Let Heyfield handle your calls. You focus on growth. Simple.